what is the Agile Project Manager role and responsibility? So, incidentally, this week I had a long conversation about the roles. So, see, we talk about roles like project manager and etc., but actually, who defines the role? The organization who is recruiting someone, they defines the final role. Yeah, and that particular organization will have some expectation. Now, sometimes these frameworks which are presented and they tell that these kind of roles are needed in our framework. So there are two possible ways of roles get defined. One is that particular organization is using a framework and they are using the role as defined in framework. That's a one possibility. The another possibility could be that someone, the organization may not be using some ready-made framework. They may have their own perceptions and they may add their role which will work in that particular space. So these are the two possible sources of role definition. Ultimately, even if it comes from the framework, it will have the organization flavor into it. Now, project manager, even the role of a project manager may vary from one organization to another organization. Even if there is a 50-year-old term designation called project manager, in some organization, project managers are very much sales oriented. In some organization, the project management managers are too much development team oriented. And they can find a lot of in-between project managers as well, depending upon which area we are working on. So it's difficult to talk about a role without talking about a particular organization. That's the first thing. Now, at the same time, having a term called project manager, you get some understanding. You generally see that person who might be responsible for overall delivery of the project, overall accountability of a project delivery. So that something comes as a default understanding, and there could be a plus minus here and there. Similarly, when someone says Agile Project Manager, so you can say first it's a project manager. That's the one thing. Now, the second thing which we may pick up, that the organization is expecting this project manager will be facilitating teams who might be using some sort of adaptive life cycle, some type of agile life cycles. So as we discussed a few times ago also, some of the pure agile way of working, they don't even define a term called project. They perceive everything should be done in a product mode. But there are still many organizations who want to do the work in a project mode, and they have a reasons for them. Say, if I am a company and I want a website, I may go for a project mode, I may go for a product mode. But if I am getting a website and which is not expected to frequently change, I may go in a project mode. If I am developing a website, which is going to be my day-to-day business channel and everything is going to happen through that particular thing, rather than a website, it's a platform, then I will go in a product mode because the development of that website will be never finished. It will be always running. So the product way of working may not talk about project manager, but the project way of working, and there could be reasons for those guys to work in a project mode, may talk about a project manager. And inside that website development, they need someone who is working in an adaptive lifecycle mode. So they will call that guy as a Agile project manager. Now, what are the roles and responsibility? I feel more or less the same like a project manager role. The only thing is facilitating that whole development in an agile way of working. So it may vary from working with the stakeholders, negotiating their project expectation, making them attend various meetings, facilitating various interactions related to requirement, facilitating conflicts, ensuring that transparency is there in the system, ensuring that periodic demos and whatever quality management process you have picked up, which is an agile process, is getting followed, ensuring the quality metrics are reflected upon in the retrospective and lesson learned meetings. So more or less the same, whatever the project manager does, but along with agile way of working. So that's I would say a top level perception we can take, and then we need to see which particular organization is looking for what. If you have any follow-up comment, feel free to put it somewhere in the comment. I take the next one. Yeah. I think we answered this question. Yeah. So what is the role of a scrum master and a project manager role in a project following agile methodology? So if kind of we have answered this question, but I extend it a little bit more. So somebody will say, okay, is it possible to have agile project manager and scrum master both role in a given project? Yeah. And if yes, what might be the difference of or a different type of work these guys will do? Yeah. Again, it too much depends upon the organization. I don't think there is any framework which defines that you need to have a scrum master and on top of it or along with it you need to have a project managers also. So in my understanding, I don't see any framework talking about scrum master and project managers together. But in my observation, there are many organizations where they have scrum masters and project managers together. So usually what you see happening there is that project manager might be working on external interfaces, might be working more on financing, reporting, invoicing related stuff, might be involved with more than one agile teams overall, because the project may involve multiple agile teams. And the scrum master might be more and more focusing on team level leadership and team level transparency. So that's the possible way of looking at it. There is a possibility sometimes these two jobs are done by one guy. I don't know what you call that guy. Sometimes organization call that guy agile project manager. Sometimes organization call that guy scrum master and add project management responsibility in addition to a scrum master responsibility. So we can say the project management responsibility primarily talks about understanding the project constraints, understanding the project stakeholders, and focusing on achieving the project value and moving away from it, finishing it. Whereas a scrum master responsibility is all the time focusing on developing team, creating environment where team related stuff can happen, and the focus on quality transparency remains all the time. So that's like coaching, mentoring at a team level is something which is expected from a team leadership. Yeah, project manager may also do some part of it, but yeah, that's how I can define this path.